Foshan Tianyu Textile Company Limited, established in 2007, is an expert in knitting denim and dyed fabrics focused on domestic marketing, and has also extended our business to worldwide in recent years, like Hong Kong, Macao and Taiwan, Japan, Southeast Asia, and Occident market. Our customer groups are concentrated on garment factory, trading company, brand clothing entities. We combine production and processing to enhance the core competitiveness in this industry, as well as to establish a good social image in every step of development and improvement. Business range covers knitting denim, knitted fabrics, cotton series fabrics, jersey, pike, ponte de Rome, fleece. The compositions include cotton, rayon, polyester, TC, CVC, spandex. As for formal specification, we get enormous volume, ready at any time in stock for sales. With our professional level and mature technology, the annual turnover has already been over 100 million yuan. We have set up a complete supply chain, as well as a good relationship with plenty of business partners so far. Our goods are produced by 50 sets modernized circular knitting machines. With excellent rope dyeing process, eco-friendly indigo and sulfur dye stuffs are utilized for yarn dyeing. We would always adhere to the tenet of quality builds the world. Credibility makes business forward. Continue to deepen reform, establish innovation mechanism, adapt to the market, and develop in all-round way by scientific management and strong technical forces.